Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from TruthFinder public records easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw your public records from TruthFinder, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the TruthFinder website. Scroll down to the footer of the home page. Look for the Do Not Sell My Info link and click on it. This will direct you to the opt-out page. On the opt-out page, you will see a form that requires basic information. Enter your first and last name in the designated fields. Provide your email address for verification purposes. Next, you will need to enter your phone number. Include your state and city to help locate your records. Once you fill in the required fields, click the search button. The system will display a list of matching records. Review the records carefully to ensure they are yours. Select the appropriate record by clicking on it. This will open a detailed view of the public information associated with your name. Look for the option that says Opt Out or Withdraw. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. You may be prompted to verify your identity via email. Check your email inbox for a verification message from TruthFinder. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm your opt-out request. After confirmation, your request will be processed. It may take several days for your records to be removed from the site. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your request. Once processed, you should no longer find your information on TruthFinder. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to TruthFinder support for assistance. This completes the withdrawal process from TruthFinder public records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.